Hello everybody, again from Simplyfoodea YouTube channel. Today we're gonna continue how to draw the flow diagram on Excel sheet. So we have done in the previous video all the steps. First important rule, all these steps must be from ground floor on the production line, then you write it on your office. But first thing, you must ensure that all these steps are from the ground exactly. Okay, align middle, and here you can distribute horizontally. Same, this it will be nice to be in this shape, align middle, then distribute horizontally, and press Ctrl and mark all, distribute horizontally and align in the middle. Okay, then insert here shape. This you can see when you bring an arrow, it will be starting from any point. It will be very nice. You can choose the shape of the arrow like this way. Okay, so we can also, to make it quickly, okay, this one, step, quick step, quick. Okay, now I'll drawing the arrows. Okay, sorry. Arrows. You must draw what's going from where to where, starting your production step, then the other step. 12, 13, 14, 15, then finally 16. Okay, just move it to be better. Okay, we have missed here. No. So you can find now all the steps starting from step number 1 to step number 16. Then you can make also all this area by this way and make it merge to just ensure that it is clear. Then make it border, take border. Okay, now we will continue drawing all the inputs and the outputs of the flow diagram. And where is the, you can also increase here the merging. Okay, now with the receiving of the orange. Okay, so step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Very important thing for making revision for all your work. Don't forget to revision all your work because it's very important. So receiving of orange, the receiving process are PRPs, and we will find also why it's PRP and sorting of the orange. Okay, here for this row there is a decision. Okay, sorry. So it will be like this, and make another box that there is an yes, there is a waste here, and because bad orange will be scrapped and just converted to waste, and this will be okay. Let's not mention now the OPRPs and CCPs, and we will find step by step why we will mention, or how we will mention what is the OPRP and what are the CCP. But first I will draw now that the filtering also, there is output from this filtering will be waste. Okay, then the X-ray the output of the X-ray will be again to the filtering process. Okay, so first step, now we have done all the process steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the process steps and all the inputs and all the outputs of this process. Okay, so this is our flow diagram, but there is, where is the CCPs and where is the OPRPs? I will mention here, and I will explain later on why. This are the OPRP, operational prerequisite program, and we have mentioned before that it will be dark blue. Okay, and the filtering process also will be OPRP, and you can mention that this is OPRP number 1 and this is OPRP number 2. Okay, and now the pasteurization are CCP number 1 in red color, and the X-ray are CCP number 2. So this is our flow diagram. Just make copy, then in your main page, do not paste it by this way, so we'll paste like picture and just make the picture smaller. Okay, so this is our flow diagram. We have now drawn our flow diagram and inserted it in our HACCP plan. Okay, so now the flow diagram number 3 and number 4, the confirmation of their, can also mention it here. Number 4, confirmation of the flow diagram. It means who have approved this flow diagram. So for example, in this part we'll make some signatures. It means that who have signed. You can insert this scan of the flow diagram signed by the people and mention this scan on the HACCP plan. Okay, also it will be here. So the confirmation of flow diagram by the food safety specialist, the food safety specialist, the quality manager, and they must sign. Okay, and production manager and factory manager, for example. So this ensures that all the steps are ensured by the HACCP team. Okay, we can now also, as we have trained ourselves the navigation pane, this production are heading 3, so the flow diagram also will be heading 3, and the confirmation of the HACCP plan will be also heading 3. Continue numbering, it will be 4, and production, just make format flow diagram and make this format. Okay, also the format for the confirmation of the flow diagram. Control S, manager and manager. So now we have finished all the first 5 primary steps: the HACCP team, product description, flow diagram, and the confirmation of flow diagram. Stay with us on our channel and continue how to write the HACCP plan step by step like professional. Thank you all and best luck for all of you. Goodbye.